Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the US-China trade talks happening right now in Geneva, Switzerland. These high-stakes discussions kicked off on Saturday, May 10th, 2025, and they're already making headlines. Representing China is Vice Premier He Lifeng, while US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent is leading the American side. So, what's on the table? Well, both nations have slapped hefty tariffs on each other's imports, the US with a whopping 145%, and China at 125%. This has seriously strained trade between the two economic giants. There's talk of reducing these tariffs by 50%, but experts say even that might not be enough to get trade back on track. Former President Trump suggested an 80% tariff reduction on Chinese goods if China opens its market to US products. Quite the bargaining chip, right? But it's not just about tariffs. This trade war is expected to push US inflation to 4% by the end of 2025. And even if a deal is struck, prices won't drop overnight because of goods already shipped under the current tariffs. Analysts project US imports could drop by at least 20% in the second half of 2025, with imports from China plummeting by up to 80%. On the flip side, China's exports to the US fell by 21% last April, and their factory activity contracted at its fastest pace in 16 months. Clearly, both sides are feeling the pinch. The initial talks wrapped up Saturday night and will resume on Sunday. There's also buzz about whether jailed Hong Kong media tycoon Jimmy Lai will come up in negotiations, though that's still up in the air. Stay tuned for more updates as these talks continue to unfold. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more news insights. See you next time.